This is such a nice picture, right? But I think we can add something to it to make people like, wow, how we did that? Let's talk about that, guys.
They never find me.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the lab day for another Wednesday episode. I'm really happy to see you again here, and we are more and more every week, so thank you all for your support, and it's always good to chat with you during the premiere and even on the comment section. Don't hesitate if you have any question after this tutorial or the other one. Leave me a comment on the comment section and I will answer you. Like I said, now I'm gonna post a video every Wednesday and more if I can, but every Wednesday for sure. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to receive a notification every time I put a new video. So today, guys, I want to talk to you about an application that I use on my phone and on the go or at home and everywhere to add some quick effects on my picture to make it more beautiful. This application is called Lens Distortions. You can find it on the App Store. You can download it for free, but you're not gonna have access to all the effects. So I recommend you to buy it. It's less than €1 every month, so why not? And I'm gonna show you how many effects you have. It's crazy. So when you have the app, open it, and then you're gonna have access to your camera roll or your different album that you have on your phone. Then choose a picture, and for example this one, I really love it, but I think if I had a little bit of light, some snow, it can look more impressive. So as you can see, you have a lot of different effects. I'm gonna show you them quickly. So first light hits, second one, another one, luminary, legacy, fog, fog 2, rain, snow, snow again, shimmer, eclipse. So as you can see, a lot of different effects. You can also doing this on Photoshop, but personally I don't know how to use Photoshop except for remove things on my photos. It's more complicated, and I really like to do this kind of things on the go, because sometimes I edit my photos on the road, send them to my phone via AirDrop, and then just add a little bit of effects with this application and boom, post it on Instagram. Here I just want to add a little bit of light. I'm gonna add this. Then you can reduce the size with your fingers. I'm gonna reduce the opacity a little bit, and then I'm gonna add another layer, and you can add 3 different layers, and I think it's enough. Then I'm gonna add some snow, and I really like that one. Move the effect where you want it to be, reduce the opacity, add more softness. I think like this is fine, maybe less of opacity. As you can see, you can turn the effects in different position, and then you can save it to your phone. As you can see, before and after, small difference, but I really like it because it makes it more cinematics, I think more intense, and I really like that. Let's try with another one. With this kind of shots, I really like to add some clouds to make it like my drone is really in high altitude, but in reality it's not. I'm gonna put it like that. Reduce the opacity, reduce the blur intensity too. As you can see, before and after, it makes the people really focusing on the subject, because here the subject is in the middle, and with that fog around, it makes your eyes focusing on the subject. So I really like that. This one, I can maybe add a little bit of light with this one, for example. Reduce the opacity again, change the brightness too. I'm gonna add another layer. I think I'm gonna add some shimmer like that, and then turn it like this. As you can see, you can change the color too, so it's really nice to make different effects. I'm gonna change the color of the lights like this, and that's it. I'm done for this one. And as you can see, before, after, again, big difference. It gives you a different look, and I really like that. So that's why I'm using this application sometimes, not on all my photos, but sometimes yes, because I think it's make your photos really different than other one. You can take a really nice drone shot, but sometimes the light is not here and it's not the right time of the day. So I think when using that kind of application give you the opportunity to change the mood of your picture, and I love it. I hope this helped you a little bit. Tell me if you use some application like this. Tell me on the comment section below, and if you have some tips too, because I'm nobody, I'm like you guys. We are all the same, we're sharing our passion. So if you have some tips and tricks for making your photos different, share it with me, guys. I will be happy to see them. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe. I thank you a lot, guys, for being here every week. Like I said, every Wednesday, new video. So see you next week and have a great day, guys.